Michael. For more than 2 decades, a 2,400 square foot American flag has towered above the town of Fredonia, Kansas. Through the best and worst of times, it stands tall, a symbol of a small town's resilience. For our next 4-state staycation, KOAM photojournalist Liam Mandelbaum brings us the story behind the flag on the mound.
Fredonia pretty well shut down till we got through those tough times. And so it was pretty quiet. But this was someplace they could come and get out on their own. They weren't stuck right at home. So it helped a lot. Some people don't really notice it until the wind's really putting it, making it stand out. Once you notice it's here, you look for it every time you come in on the highways. I'd seen a flag over at Parsons, the VFW, for years when I go over to see my folks. And I always thought that'd be something neat for the South Mound. And it took us 2 years, but we got it done. And this was when they was pouring cement for the base of it. And this was when they put the cement and rebar in. And that was me working on it there, back when I had dark hair, before I got old. When we dedicated it, we had a flyover. That was June 14th, 2000. We had it up just before 9/11, and then when 9/11 hit, it was very special. After 9/11, we had a flood here, and we had the National Guard here, and one of the guys ran up here every day, and he sent me a letter and donations. And then when he was in the service, he had to go to Iraq. He took a donation from his Army buddies and sent it over with a thank you. I've always been very patriotic at heart. To me, this is very special in more ways than I can even say.